Building PCs in random locations, this time in a pool underwater. I feel like I say this a lot these days, but as always, please don't try this at home. You've probably heard that water is dangerous to PC components, which is definitely true when those PC components are powered on. That's because water conducts electricity, and PC components want electricity to flow in a very specific manner. So when water comes in contact with a powered-on component, the water can cause electricity to jump abnormally to places that it shouldn't be. This is commonly referred to as a short and has the potential to completely destroy your component. However, when PC components get wet but aren't powered on, they are not immediately damaged. In these cases, the main concern is corrosion, not electrical shorts.